In this video, how to create rising text in Camtasia like this. First, create a shape. Next, create a text. Move the shape tool on top of the text. Add the media matte effect to the shape. Now, add a custom animation to the text. At the start keyframe, hide the text from the Canva. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.